Hello and welcome. My name is Rex Jones II. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, click the subscribe button, then bell icon for each video notification. Also, you can connect with me on LinkedIn. In this video, we are going to automate double clicking a box using Selenium Actions class. jQuery is the AUT. I'm going to scroll to the bottom of this AUT and we see this blue box. The test script will get the color of the box, double click the box, then get the new color of the box. Inspect, and we see view frame source. Shows us the box is located in an iframe. First, let's find the iframe by writing 2 slashes iframe. This application only has one frame. That makes it easy for us. Go to Eclipse, and the first thing we do is scroll to the bottom of the page using JavaScript Executor. Now let's switch to the frame. Driver.switchTo frame. It's best to switch to a frame using WebElement, name, or ID. But we only have one frame, so let's use index 0. You can watch videos 29 through 32 to learn more about frame. After switching to the frame, we find the box. But let's first import JavaScript Executor. Go back and inspect the box. Within the iframe element, we can find the box using a direct relationship between the parent and the child. Body is the parent and div is the child. Therefore, we write body angle bracket div. There are 4 results, but 3 of the results are outside the iframe. Let's search, search, search. 4 of 4 contains our element. Let me show you how to get the color since we are inspecting the box. Select the computer tab. Do you see how the background color is yellow? We will use background color as a parameter for the getCSSValue Selenium method. The method will return the computed value, which is 255, 255, 0. Watch how the color changes after reloading the page and inspecting the box. It changed back to blue, and we see RGB updated to 00255. Back to Eclipse, find the box, WebElement box equal driver dot find elements by CSS selector body angle bracket div. Now print the color. Sys out color B4 box dot get CSS value. We see the description shows color values should be returned as RGBA streams. RGBA stands for red, green, blue, alpha. It's a 4-channel color model. The parameter property name is background color, surrounded by double quotes. Now we double click by instantiating the actions class. ACT equal new actions. Driver. ACT dot double click. And the web element target is box. Then we perform the action. The last step is to print the color after double clicking the box. Copy and paste, then change before to after. Let's run. We see the colors are different before and after double clicking the box. That's it, and thank you for watching how to double click a web element using Selenium's Actions class.
Online courses coming soon. Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's the Selenium automation book. And TestNG. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.